Yo, first order of the day just came in. Shop and deliver for some alcohol. $11.50 for 6.6 miles.
Morning.
Morning. I think it's the big one.
All right. Let's get in that one bottle.
Yeah.
You want to go ahead of me?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
He's going to go ahead of me.
So look at the camera. Nice. It's a good idea.
All right, let's try that one more time.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Have a blessed day.
You too. Well, that made a 5-minute shopping trip turn into what, 15? So much for having a good order.
Your destination is on the left.
So I'm supposed to give you this.
And then just a scribble on that red line. Good enough for me. All right, just got my second order for muchas gracias. $6.75 for like 3 miles. Not really what I'm going for, but I just took it to keep moving. Thank you. Just got a stacked order for Voodoo Donut. 10:38 going 6 miles. I'm right next to it, so let's just do it. Got 2 of them.
So our system is now. Give me a second to box them up.
This one's the dozen, right?
Yeah, this one's a dozen.
Okay. That's all I need.
You got it?
Yep.
As long as you know.
Thank you. This next order is for Kitchen Table Cafe, $7.50 for like 4 miles. Honestly, I might call it an early day today, even though it's a weekend. So much has gone wrong already, both on and off camera, that I don't even want to do this anymore.
Your destination is on the right.
Thank you, you too. All right, just got the Starbucks. $7.75 going 2 miles. It's literally across the street, picking it up and coming back across the street. All right, so it looks like this is just going down to the Taco Bell, which is right across the bridge. Hopefully they're open and don't make me go through the drive-thru. Yes. Oh. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, next order is a Jack in the Box. $9 and some change for about 3 miles. Thank you. Thank you. You too.
Head to your pickup at Jack in the Box.
Pretty much identical to the last one in terms of pay and mileage.
Okay, I'll get that.
Thank you. You too. All right, just got a double for Taco Bell and Chick-fil-A. They're both going to the same place. We'll see how this goes. $12 for like 5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, off to Taco Bell. I purposefully did the Chick-fil-A before. That would give Taco Bell, no time to do their thing. What's that? The date? Alleviates. Yep.
We cannot do her order. Our eggs did not drop.
Is that the whole?
Like everything has
Everything?
eggs in it.
Well, we're done with DoorDash for today. They scanned me $12 or whatever the full pay was. And I'm just gonna drop off this cold Chick-fil-A and move on with my day because we're done. What a horrible company, really. Like, what is the redeeming value here? Is this just charity work at this point? Hello. Could be better.
What a fiasco.
Yep. There you are.
There you go, man.
Fine.
Oh, I totally understand, man. They're trying to screw you over. So, with that, I hope that helps out a little bit at least.
So much, you have no idea.
Have a good day.
Thank you, man. Have a good one. Oh, goddamn. Customer ended up giving me a $20 bill for my troubles. Super generous. Like, obviously didn't have to do any of that. Didn't have to wait for their food either, but you know, DoorDash was kind of keeping both of us hostage. I couldn't even see their address because technically I hadn't accepted both orders yet. Holy. Well, at the very least, I got $20. What a joke of a company, honestly. And once again, shout out to the customers pulling DoorDash's weight. I don't even know my total for the day, but I'm pretty much over it, so I'm just gonna head home. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.